channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 Amazon KDP low content, low competition, high demand keywords or niches that you can start today to make your own books to make sales on Amazon KDP. I'm going to go ahead and show you the research process. We're going to break up where you can get the interiors from and how to add value in your interiors to make your books unique and to make them sell more as well. So let's have a look here. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos talking about passive income streams that I've successfully done. I share with you my income reveals for medium.com, for Creative Fabrica, for Amazon KDP. Now let's get started with our first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is write a book in 30 days. And the keyword niche score for that is 52. The total results are wonderful, under 1,000, which is ideal, and they are 950 as the total results. We've got the average price, which is $11.85. Now, first of all, your first impression when looking at this keyword is, oh no, this is a medium or high content keyword. And to some part, yes, it is mostly a keyword that the majority of books that are ranked for this keyword are actual books with high or medium content. So they're basically explanatory books or ebooks about how to write a book in 30 days. But what I want you to do before you click on the close button and get off this video, I really want to talk to you about changing your mindset when you are an Amazon KDP low content publisher. Change your mindset in order to see the opportunity in this keyword or any other similar keyword like this one. Where you come across a keyword that's great potential, it has a great potential to both be a winning keyword and to niche down as well. But what is stopping you is you realizing, if I want to rank for this keyword, I need to write an actual full 900-page book. No, this is not the way to go. As a low content Amazon KDP low content self-publisher, you need to change your mindset around this and say, okay, so we have a keyword, write a book in 30 days. What can I do as a self-publishing low content author? I could make a logbook to help authors write a book in 30 days. I could make a journal, I could make a planner, I could make a creative writing prompt to help authors write a book in 30 days that guides them on how they should structure their book by offering them written prompts and also lined sheets of paper to allow them to structure their book and, get their book done, ready, planned, set out, written and published in 30 days. Also, a logbook would be a great idea. As I said, firstly, you could also create a journal. You could create so many different things, or even a calendar that has, for example, 30 pages in it, and each page is dedicated to one day, and then you help the potential author to guide them through to this niche, or guide them through to writing their own book in 30 days. So then again, change your mindset. You'll see that a lot of opportunities start to come up when you change your mindset around handling such niche such as this one. So as you can tell here, the majority of the books are medium to low content. And also, if you want to dive in and create diving into the medium to high niches where you actually write a book, you don't really need to write it yourself. You can actually hire a ghost writer if you are very sure of the niche and its potential. Now that's something that we could also consider, and that's something that I can dedicate a whole playlist here on the channel. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section so I know that there are people that are interested to see the process and the exact process that I go through in order to embark on and enter the niches that require medium to high content, which is writing the actual book, whether that I write it myself or I hire a ghost writer or a local writer here. So as you can see, a lot of potential here. We've got logbooks, journals, planners, calendars, so many different things under write a book in 30 days. Let's have a look at the second niche for the day, and the second niche for the day is 2023 self-care planner for women. Now this niche here has a wonderful keyword niche score of 50 and a total result a little bit on the higher side, which is 1,782, as well as the average price is $5.44, making this an ideal niche for the Amazon KDP low content publishers. Now, as you can tell here, there is a great potential to niche down, and we have the first example right here, self-care workbook for Black woman, and this is a niche all by itself. It's a potential profitable keyword all by itself, and this author or this publisher right here has decided to niche down by including the 2023 self-care planner for women, the initial main keyword, into the 7 keyword slots in order to rank for this, and it has an amazing BSR score of 7,576 and a outstanding number of buyers who have taken the time and effort to rate this book 4.6 out of 5, and then just a total of 960 people who have taken the effort to rank and comment on this book. So then again, we do have other KDP books under this keyword, and there's a lot of potential to niche down to self-care planner for women who are moms, who are students, who are nurses, who are Black women, who are Hispanic, who are Middle Eastern. There's so much potential to niche down, and there's a great opportunity to categorize also based on age and based on the carrier and the needs. Now, always try to add value. See, when you look at a potential keyword that is profitable, whether it's this one or any other one, whether it's a logbook or a planner, always look outside the box and say, yes, I've got these wonderful examples of books that are selling under this niche. How can I add value? Have a look at the interior, see what can I add that's missing from that interior. Did they include a how to use page? Possibly if it's a self-care planner, maybe I can include some recipes on, or some ideas for self-care, such as any sort of like a 30-day self-care planner or self-care calendar, just a page or two dedicated to that. Within the planner, am I able to include any sort of logbook style worksheets and weave them inside the interior? Would be a great idea. So let's have a look at the third niche for the day, and it is abundance mindset journal. And although this keyword has a current niche score of 39, some of you might find that a little bit too low, but this keyword has amazing potential, and this is the exact reason why I have chosen this keyword as the last keyword for today's video, because just by abundance mindset journal, using that keyword, which has a total results of under 500, which is 266, and an average price of $12.85. Using that keyword either as part of your title, subtitle, or 7 keyword slots will open a whole pathway of other amazing keywords that are all connected to this one keyword. Think outside the box. Abundance Mindset Journal is basically a self-care journal that is under the umbrella of everything to do with manifestation, law of attraction, affirmations. Then again, you can niche down even further by creating Abundance Mindset Journal for women, for men, for boys, for girls, for kids, for teenagers, for students, for moms, for nurses, and so forth, depending on the career. You could also weave in some affirmations. You can weave in a logbook style worksheets in between, and a habit tracker. You can dedicate it to week by week or month by month or daily as well. Weave in some creative writing prompts. So all these ideas, I'm sharing them with you here because I've used them myself and I've seen how successful they are. And this is I believe truly that this is the exact reason why my books are selling, the ones that I've actually taken the effort to take that extra step and take that extra time to add value by giving the customer as much value as I can that's relevant to that niche, and just weaving the pages and the worksheets together to give them value and to make them feel like, yes, it's definitely worth my money and it's worth my purchase. They go ahead, they repurchase for their friends and family, and this is exactly the recipe to success on Amazon KDP, especially if you don't want to do ads. For example, right now, since starting on Amazon KDP, I've never run ads, and I don't really initially want to run ads. And I just want to maintain as much unique traffic and monetize that as I can. So we've shared with you 3 KDP, Amazon KDP, low competition, high demand niches, and the best way to get interiors and graphics and fonts to make your books is through Creative Fabrica. And you can go ahead and click on the link in the description box below to access a whole entire month of unlimited downloads of graphics, fonts, interiors, keywords under Creative Fabrica for a whole month for $1. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.